Hi, let's start tree traversal. In previous video, I already done binary tree and tree introduction part. So next we will do tree traversal. So there are three type of tree traversal. One is in order, then pre-order, then post-order. What is in order? In order is traverse left subtree in order, then visit root, then traverse right subtree in order. So here in means between of two. So here root is in between of left and right. So that's why it is in order. So next is pre-order. Pre-order is first visit root. Pre means before. So here root will be first. So visit root. Then traverse left subtree. So that also in pre-order. So traverse left subtree in pre-order. Then traverse right subtree in pre-order. So next is post order. Post means last. So root will be last. So it will be traverse left subtree in post order, traverse right subtree in post order, then visit root. So let me explain through an example. So I'm just drawing a tree. So how will visit in order? So in order will be traverse left subtree, visit root, traverse right subtree. So this left subtree will visit in order, means left, root, right. So 4, 2, 5. Okay. Then we'll visit root, that is 1. Then we will traverse right subtree in order. So that will be left, root, right. That will be 6, 3, 7. So in order will be 4, 2, 5, 1, 6, 3, 7. Let's do pre-order. So how will be pre-order? So pre-order will be visit root, traverse left subtree, traverse right subtree. So first will be 1, so that is visit root. Then traverse left subtree in pre-order. So that will be root, left, right. So 2, 4, 5. Then traverse right subtree in pre-order. That will be 3, 6, 7. So pre-order will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 6, 7. So this is the pre-order. So next is post order. So post order will be so left, right, root. So here we'll go to left. So this is not the final left. So we'll go to this. So 4, 5, 2. That is left child, right child, root. So 4, 5, 2. Then we'll traverse right subtree in post order, that is 6, 7, 3. Then is root 1. So post order will be 4, 5, 2, 6, 7, 3, 1. So you just mark in post order root is at last, in pre order root is at first, and in order root is at middle. Okay. So any order will be given, so either in order pre-order or in order post-order will be given. You have to construct a tree and you have to find the other traversal. Okay, so there is another traversal that is called as a level order, that traverse in level wise. So like first we traverse level 0, then level 1, then level 2. Like we will traverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is called as a level order. So now construct binary tree from in order, pre-order or post-order traversal. So to construct unique binary tree, there must be in order, pre-order or in order, post-order. If just pre-order, post-order is given, you cannot construct a unique binary tree, because just see an example like pre-order is AB, post-order is BA. So now from pre-order you know that A is the root, and from post-order you found that A is the root. So A, now just see B. B is its left child or its right child. That is the confusion. So you cannot sure that B is it may be like this. B can be left child, B can be right child. So there should be one in order with pre-order or post-order to construct a unique binary tree. So let's construct binary tree from in order and pre-order. So one pre-order is given. This is a pre-order, and this is in order. Now we'll construct a binary tree. So now just pre-order, you can see A is the root. A is first, means that is the root, and here A is middle. From this you sure that A is the root. So now just construct A. So now what will be left subtree or right subtree? Now before A what is given, that is left subtree. Like BDC, that will be left subtree, and FEG, that will be right subtree. Now just consider BDC. Okay, so like BDC, Okay, from this BDC, so this three part is its left child and F is its right child. So now from this BDC, what will be root? Now just go to the pre-order and just mark from these three what is present first. So BDC, B is present first. So B will be its left child. I think you guys are clear. Just see, just consider this as a tree, and from these three, now just check the pre-order. So now B is done. So now just check DC. So whether it will be left child of B or whether it will be right child of B. Just check in order. So here in order, DC is right side of the B. So DC is the right side of B. So now just check in pre-order. Right side of B means it will be right child. So now DC will be right child. Now from this DC, what will be root and what will be child? Now just check in pre-order, C is present first. So C present first means C will be root. So now C will be its, so from DC, C will be root. Now just D is left, just check in order, D is present before C. So D is present before C means D is its left child. Okay, next we'll construct the right part. So you can just see, so in order, right subtree is F, E, G. Now just compare in pre-order. So from this F, E, G, what is the root? So just check in F, E, G what is present first. So E is present first. So if E is present first from these three, so E will be root. So now just construct E. So now just check F and G are its left child or right child. So in order, F is present left of E and G is present right of E. Means F is left child of E, G is right child of E. So now construct F as left child and G as right child. So now we constructed the tree. So this is the tree from this pre-order and in order. So now what will be post order for this? So post order will be left, right, root. So we'll go to left. Here left part is not given. So we'll go to here. So right part. So here this is D, C, B. So that we cover the left subtree. Then we'll go to the right. So that is F, G, E, A. So that will be your post order. So it will be D, C, B, F, G, E, A. And so we'll go to construct binary tree from post order and in order traversal. So one post order is given this and one in order is given this. So now we'll construct the first we'll construct the tree. So how we'll construct the tree? Now just see these two. So here post order, what is last? So post order last is 1 and in order here it is present. So it just easily found that root is 1. So next, so from this, so what is left child and what is right child? So left child is 3, 2, 4 and right child is 5 and 6. Okay, so now from this 3 to 4, what will be root? So 3 to 4, what will be root? Just check in post order what is present last. Here 2 is present last means 2 is the root. Just construct 2. Now just check. So this 3 and 4 are its left child or right child. So here in order 2 is present middle, 3 is at left side, 4 is at right side. Means 3 is left child, 4 is right child. Okay, just compare these two, you can easily do. Okay, so now just so 3 is its left child and 4 is its right child. Okay, now left part is done. Now just go to the right part. So right part is 5, 6. So from this 5, 6, what will be root? Okay, just in check in post order what is last. From this 5, 6, what is last? So that will be root. So 5 is last, so that will be the root. So 5 will be its right child. Then just check 6 is its left child or right side. So in order 6 is present left side or right side. 6 is present right side, so 6 will be its right side. So in post order, which node is present last, that will be root. And the previous node of root is called it will be its right child. So here 5 will be its right child. And in pre-order, which node is present just after the root, that will be its left child. So just remember some trick and you can easily do. So now tree is constructed, we'll find the pre-order. So here post order, in order is given, we'll find pre-order. So pre-order will be root, left, right. So root, so that will be 1, then left, so here is the root 2, then left, so it is 3, 4. So root, then traverse left subtree, so traverse left subtree, root left right, so 2, 3, 4. Then here it will be 5, then here there is no left side, so we'll do 6. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is just post order, in order is given, you will find the pre-order. This is all about the traversal. So next we will do converted binary tree, leftmost child, right sibling representation. So actually one question come from this, so that's why I'm explaining this. So that question was leftmost child, right sibling representation. So what is leftmost child, right sibling representation? So just see. So it is a different representation of an NRA tree. NRA tree means if there are n child, means more than 2 there are n child, any number of child, means 3 child, 4 child, 5 child, like. Where instead of holding a reference to each of every child node, a node holds just two reference. First reference to its first child and the other is to next sibling. So rather means like here this is the root, it is holding the information reference of its left child and of its right child. But here it will just keep information of its left child and its sibling, its right sibling. Just see, suppose this is a tree, NRA tree. So how it will store in leftmost child right sibling representation, so A will hold information of B and B will hold information of C, D, E, F, G. So like B will hold a reference of C, D, E, F, G, and B will also hold the reference of its left child, that is H, and H will hold information of IJ plus N. So H will hold information of IJ plus N, and N will hold information of O. Means every node is keeping just reference of its left child and its right sibling. So like here E, so E have left child K, and so E will hold K and K will hold L, because L is its right sibling, and K have a one child, that is P, L have a one child, that is Q, it will store as a left, then G has one child, is M. I think you guys understood what is leftmost child, right sibling representation. So if any doubts, just ask me in comment. Thank you.